Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how we can set up currencies for our user in Dhru Fusion. So at first we need to log in our admin panel of Dhru Fusion, then go settings and currencies. Now we see here only showing USD, but we need to add other currencies like BDT, INR. So we can set here currencies BDT, Bangladeshi Taka, prefix BDT prefix, suffix Taka, format OK, rate now per dollar BDT 120, and we must BDT 120. Now click it. Just now we added this. If our dollar price again high, we can come again here and edit it. We always need to enable this, then price will auto not change. And we can edit again here 120 or 122. Save it. Now again currencies and reload it. Here showing BDT Taka. Again, if we want to add INR or other country, again we can select from here Indian rupee, rupee prefix, suffix INR or RS. Now it's running. $90. Click on it. Again we need to edit it and enable it. We must enable it to set our currency's price manually. See, it's auto sense. See, it's auto sense 92 83. We need to again write here 90 and save it. It's complete. You can set other currencies from here. Now if we add service or edit service price, we are going to server service or IMA service, edit any service, here not show our currencies. So after setup currency, we need to close our browser and reopen it. Now again we are going to server service or email service. Edit any service. Click set service price. Now you can see it's auto showing BDT and INR price. If you write here 6, it will auto sense BDT and INR. If you write here 10, it will auto sense to BDT and INR. If you want to set USD but BDT 100 taka, so just click here and manually write 100, INR 90. You can set here manually also, but we no need to set here manually. We just close them and set here our currency, it will automatically sense. So in this process we can set up currencies for our client in Dhru Fusion. Thank you.